Hey guys, and welcome back to my second episode in my self-care series. Today I am going to be sharing with you my at-home spa manicure routine. First off, I'm shaping all of my nails with a crystal nail file. I did recently file them down after I took my gel off, so they just needed a quick tidy up. Next, I'm using the Sally Hansen cuticle remover. I just put that on all of my cuticles and then rubbed it in. I then went on to soak all of my nails for a couple of minutes in some warm water. This just had some method hand wash mixed in with the warm water. Once my cuticles have been softened, I made up this mix of a little bit of sugar, some honey and also olive oil, and you just mix it all together, and I just rub this all over the hands to give them a nice exfoliation. This also helps to soften the hands, and then I washed it away with another bowl of soapy water with the method hand wash in. Next, it was time to push all of my cuticles back. Now I tend to use this cuticle pusher as opposed to a cuticle cutter. I would only use that if I had a bit of skin hanging that I needed to cut off, but try to avoid using that kind of tool if you can, as it can damage the cuticle bed. I would just recommend using the cuticle remover teamed with the pusher instead, as it's much kinder. To deeply hydrate my hands, I decided to use this hand moisturizing mask. I've spoken about these before. I have used them on my feet as well, and I just had this one spare. So all you do is just open it up and all of the liquid is enclosed inside the glove, and you just leave them on for, I would say, about 15 to 30 minutes depending on how much time you have. To clean the nail bed, I used a lint-free cotton pad over all of my nails so that they were ready for the gel application process. Now I have done a whole dedicated video, actually a couple I think, on how to apply gel polish. I did one recently reviewing an Amazon gel kit which I'm using in this video as well, so I will link them both down below if you want a more in-depth tutorial, but for now I just thought I'd show you the steps quickly that I go through, and if you do have any questions then you can leave them in the comments down below. For my colour, I just decided on a fresh bright white, which is from the Amazon gel kit that I reviewed. This is beautifully pigmented. You could get away with one coat, but I decided to do two just so that it was nice and bright. After I'd finished my gel manicure routine, I went ahead and put on some of my favourite hand cream. This is the Glossier one. It's beautifully moisturising and smells so good. If you've ever smelt the Glossier perfume, it just smells exactly like that. Then to finish everything off, I went ahead and put on some cuticle oil and rubbed that all in as well. And that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the second video in my self-care week. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for the third installment, and subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.